What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today's a cool video. Today we have something that I've been wanting to get for a while. Now Fernanda actually got it for me for Christmas slash birthday, whatever. Anyways, pretty much both of those combined, but she got me the downpipe from RPM with the cutout on it. So really nice piece, cutout right there, goes directly to your stock muffler, everything. And it does, I'm gonna put this down carefully because I don't want to drop it. It also does come with the wiring harness, and I've only been working on this for maybe 15-20 minutes fully. I already got the springs off, I already got most of the heat shield off, I already loosened up the V-band clamp here, so it's pretty much ready to come off. I just gotta loosen it up a little bit more and it should be coming off. So let's go ahead and get the V-band clamp off, pop off this exhaust and put the one on. So let's finish up. Alrighty guys, so I actually got the old downpipe off and I went to go take off the oxygen sensor and it was stuck for some reason, and I noticed the threads came off. Literally all the threads came off and the threads are stuck in the old downpipe. So I'm not gonna attempt to put it in here, but I still have to put this on so I can move the car. So what I did was overnighted a new oxygen sensor. So for now, we're going to run the wiring and everything through. Everything through, so we can still plug that in, still run everything just so it's all done. So tomorrow when that oxygen sensor comes in, screw it in, plug it in, and we're good to go. But go ahead, we're gonna run all that now. It looks pretty simple, comes with zip ties and everything. I think it also comes with the fuse too. Oh, it does. Sweet, look at that. So it comes with everything that you need. Now question, does it come with a fuse? Inline fuse already. It does. Cool, comes with the inline fuse, connectors and all. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna run this through. As soon as we have all this plumbed and routed, then we'll go ahead and install that downpipe. Still start it, still hear it. So let's go ahead, get this routed. Cover right here. Let's just put it back so I can show you guys an example. This cover goes right there. I actually removed this cover because I am going to run obviously the wire through the bottom here. I'm actually going to run it around here and have it come up because I believe it comes out, I think it comes out right here. Either it comes out here or here. I think it comes out right here, the cutout part, but it kind of hides the wire behind everything else. Ow, just cut myself. But kind of hides the wire behind everything else, which then comes up, it's hidden and it looks a little better. So that's what I'm doing here right now. Let's see here. This is the wiring kit. I took it all out. They have this thing set up for it's universal for 4-seater and a 2-seater. So you're gonna have a lot of extra wire. Alright, so I had it feeding right here. Come on, cooperate with me, please. Be very grateful. Very helpful. Have it come up here. Move my hand back around. Come on. Let it come up to here, and then boom, I can plug it in. It's really hard doing this with one hand and trying to film. Run it through there, plug it in. Hear the little click. Run this back down through here. And that was actually perfect length that I got because it's still pretty tight. I might give it a little bit more slack. And now I can put the cover back on. And look at that. That looks real good. So, everything's mounted. Like I said, I just have this mounted real quick. Just connected power to ground and everything. Because if you can hear, it is working. Closed, open, closed, open. So, we're going to start it closed. I'm nervous. See what she sounds like. One, it shoots flames. I think that's freaking awesome. It stopped mid freaking recording because the camera got full. I put the cover back on. I do got to put the springs back on for the exhaust. I gotta let it cool down. Alright, so there it is, the electric valve from RPM, all installed and everything. Ended up putting the switch inside right there. Wanted to run it off the gang switch, but there was no way to connect it. Now, no way I was able to figure out, not even Googling it or anything, so ended up just running it right there. That's where the original stereo system button was, so just put the exhaust button right there. So, now, let's go ahead, get some noise out of it, the tier and everything. We'll put you guys on the RPM box, on a chair. See if we can get some flame shooting out of this thing, eh? Let's see.
Too loud.
That sounds so good. It's closed right now. So the cool thing is, the only time this valve opens, now I'm not going to start it, I'm just going to show you. Turn key on, the whole switch turns on, and you can probably hear it right now. Once I flip it, it opens, closes. Now it only does it when key is on. It's kind of like my windshield. Only time it'll do it is when the key is on. So kind of cool. I like it a lot. It's more me. If you guys have been following my channel for a while, you guys know my Roush is extremely loud. So yeah, other than that, I think that's gonna finish up today's video on the electric valve exhaust from RPM. I love it. I can't wait. I can't wait for President's Weekend. So excited. Got the electric valve installed, got the blow-off valve installed, got the gang switch installed. This thing's ready. I'm more excited for the damn noise. Granted, it's not gonna go anywhere. It's stock, no tune, but it's gonna haul ass. Not really. It's gonna sound good and shoot flames. I think it shot flames. I'm gonna look back at the footage right now and see if it shot flames. If it shot flames, I'll be super excited. So now I want to do a comparison. This is loud. From what I've been told, this is almost as loud as my Roush. So I'm curious to see, once I get the Roush back from paint, I want to do a sound comparison. But alright, that's it. Just rambling at this point. If you guys are new, please like, subscribe, hit the bell notification so anytime we upload, you guys will know. And remember guys, don't stop, keep going. I'll see you guys in the next one.